Hello everyone, my name is Kunal Mathur, final year student of MLB Tech Bhilwada of branch Electronics and Communication. I hope you all are doing good, so let's start the presentation. My topic is programming with Python. So first of all, what is Python? Well, it is a general purpose programming or coding language which means that unlike HTML, CSS and JavaScript, it can be used for other types of programming and software development. We will come on to its application later on in the slides, and talking about its history, it was first developed by Van Rossum in late 80s. Python can be used to handle big data and perform mathematics. It can connect to database systems. Now coming to why Python. Like almost everyone of our class have done their training in Python. So let's understand why this is so. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. It can work on different platforms such as Mac, Linux, Windows, and even Raspberry Pi. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that the code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object oriented way, or a functional way. Now, coming to the features of Python. Now, Python is easy to code. Python is a very developer friendly language, which means that anyone and everyone can learn to code it in a couple of hours or days. It is open source and free. It is an open source programming language, which means that anyone can create and contribute to its development. Support for GUI. GUI or graphical user interface is one of the key aspects of any programming language because it has the ability to add flair to code and make the results more visual. Python has a support for a wide array of GUIs which can easily be imported to the interpreter, thus making it one of the most favorite languages for developer. Object oriented approach. One of the key aspects of Python is its object oriented approach. This basically means that Python recognizes the concept of class and object encapsulation, thus allowing programs to be efficient in the long run. High level language. Python has been designed to be a high level programming language, which means that when you code in Python, you don't have to be aware of the coding structure, architecture, as well as memory management. Integrated by nature. Python is an integrated language by nature. This means that Python interpreter execute codes one line at a time. Unlike the other object oriented programming language, we don't need to compile Python code. Highly portable. Mm, Suppose you are running Python on Windows and you need to shift the same to either a Mac or a Linux system, then you can easily achieve the same in Python without having to worry about the changing the code. Highly dynamic. As mentioned earlier, Python is one of the most dynamic languages available in the industry today, which basically means it is the type of variable is decided at the runtime and not in advance. Due to the presence of this feature, we do not need to specify the type of variable during coding, thus saving time and increasing efficiency. Extensive array of library. Out of the box, Python comes inbuilt with a large number of libraries that can be imported at any instance and can be used in a specific program. Support for other languages. Being coded in C, Python by default supports the execution of code written in other programming languages such as Java, C, and C Sharp, thus making it one of the versatile in the industry. Now coming to the applications of Python. Web development. Now, Python web frameworks are known for their security, scalability, and flexibility. So, Python offers numerous operations for web development. For instance, we have Django, Pyramid, Flask, and Bottle for developing web frameworks, and even advanced content management systems like Plone and Django CMS. Game development. Now, Python comes loaded with many useful extension or libraries that come in handy for the development of interactive games. For instance, libraries like PySOY, a 3D game engine that supports Python 3, and Pygame are two Python-based libraries that are widely used for game development. Scientific and numeric application. Thanks to its massive library base, Python has become a crucial tool in scientific numeric computing. Some of the most useful Python packages for scientific and numeric computation include SciPy, Pandas, IPython, Numeric Python, Natural Language Toolkit, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Python's simplicity, consistency, Platform independence, great collection of resourceful libraries, and an active community make it perfect tool for developing AI and ML applications. Some of the best Python packages for AI and ML are SciPy for advanced computing, Pandas for general purpose data analysis, Seaborn for data visualization, Keras, TensorFlow, and Scikit-learn for ML. Desktop GUI. Python offers many GUI toolkits and frameworks that make desktop application development a breeze. PyQt, PyGTK, Kiwi, Kinter, WXPython, PyGUI, and PySide are some of the best Python based GUI frameworks. Software development. Python packages and applications aim to simplify the process of software development. From developing complex applications that involve scientific and numeric computing to developing desktop and web application, Python can do it all. This is the reason why software developers use Python as a support language for build control, testing, and management. Enterprise or business level applications. Now, due to Python's high performance, scalability, flexibility, Python can make a significant difference. These are just the features required for developing fully functional and efficient business applications. Furthermore, Python has other tools for application developments, business application developments like Odoo, an all-in-one management software that forms a complete suite of enterprise management application. Triton, a three-tier high-level general-purpose application platform, is another fantastic tool for building business application. Education programs and training courses. If there is any beginner-friendly programming language, it is Python. We have said it many times before and we are repeating in Python has an extremely straightforward syntax that is similar to the English language. Language development. Over the years, Python's design and module architecture has been the inspiration behind the development of many new programming languages such as Boo, Swift, CoffeeScript, Cobra, and OCaml. Operating system. Yes, Python is the secret ingredient behind many operating systems as well, most popularly of Linux distributions. Linux based Ubuntu's Ubiquity installer and Fedora and Red Hat Enterprise Anaconda installer are coded in Python. Web scraping application. Python is a nifty tool for extracting voluminous amounts of data from websites and web pages. The pulled data is generally used in different real-world processes including job listings, price comparison, and R&D, etc. Image processing and graphic design applications. Alongside all the uses mentioned above, Python also finds a unique use case in image processing and graphic design applications. The programming language is globally used to design and build 2D imaging softwares like Inkscape, GIMP, PaintShop Pro, and Scribus. Also, Python is used in several 3D animation packages such as Blender, Houdini, 3ds Max, Maya, Cinema 4D, and Lightwave. Now coming to the advantages and disadvantages. So the advantages are it is easy to read, learn, and write. Python is a high level programming language that has English like syntax. This makes it easier to read and understand the code. Improved productivity. Python is a very productive language. Due to the simplicity of Python, developers can focus on solving the problems. Interpreted language. That means Python directly executes the code line by line. In case of any error, it stops further execution and reports back the error which has occurred. Dynamically typed. Python does not know the type of variable until we run the code. It automatically assigns the data type during the execution. Free and open source. Python comes under the OSI approved open source license. This makes it free to use and distribute. Vast library support. The standard library of Python is huge. You can file almost all the function needed for your task. So you don't have to depend on external libraries. Portability. In many languages like C, C++, you have to change your code to run the program on different platforms. That is not same with the Python. You only write once and run it anywhere. Now it has some disadvantages too. So coming to that, slow speed. The line-by-line execution of code often leads to slow execution. The dynamic nature of Python is also responsible for the slow speed of Python because it has to do the extra work while executing code. Not memory efficient. To provide simplicity to the developer, Python has to do a little trade-off. The Python programming language uses a large amount of memory. This can be a disadvantage while building applications when we prefer memory optimization. Weak in mobile computing. Python is generally used in server side programming. We don't get to see Python on the client side or mobile applications because of the following reasons. Python is not memory efficient and has slow processing power as compared to other languages. Now, runtime errors. As we know, Python is a dynamically typed language, so the data type of a variable can change anytime. A variable containing integer number may hold a string in the future, which can lead to runtime errors. Therefore, Python programmers need to perform through testing of applications. So, coming to the conclusion, Python is a simple, versatile, and a complete programming language. It is a great choice for beginners up to professional. Although it has some disadvantages, wait a second. Although it has some disadvantages, we can observe that the advantages exceed the disadvantages. Even Google has made Python one of its primary programming languages. That's it from my side. Thank you.